Okay, go ahead. Okay, this is a 1960s vintage Alliance Tenna-Rotor antenna rotator unit. It's mounted in the garage so it'll stay out of the weather and hopefully last a long time. I bought it new in the box from some guy on eBay who found it in his father's attic, and it was in perfect condition. I did a little bit of cleanup. I opened up the rotor mechanical unit and cleaned out all the old caked hard grease and re-greased everything and cleaned everything up from sitting in an attic for 50 or 60 years, and everything's working perfectly. Anybody remember hearing that kerchunk kerchunk from the old days?